Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max here, and of course in today's guide I'll be showing you a cool feature on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now of course this is a audio option that is related to videos, so of course if you like to shoot your videos but of course you're getting a lot of background noise, the camera itself actually has, or the device itself has a mode that can reduce background noise significantly, especially when you have annoying sounds from your background that you do not want recording in your videos. Whenever you're recording, you can actually activate this feature that will filter out background noise. All right, it works in other apps other than your camera and recording. It can also work in videos that you're watching in some conditions, and of course you'll have to test it out to see under which conditions it will actually appear. In some cases it doesn't appear. All right, so this is what you do. So you're gonna go ahead guys and you're gonna go, for example, here, and you're gonna launch your camera. Once you launch your camera, you can see in the island that there's this here. So once the camera is launched, what you're gonna do while you're in the camera, you don't need to do anything else. You're gonna swipe down from the upper right, you're gonna see camera controls. All right, so this is the camera control. You're gonna tap, and once you do, you're gonna be in this cool menu that's hidden here, and I already have it here. By default it should be set to automatic, but of course I have set it now to voice isolation, meaning whenever the camera is, as you see the camera and the microphone, it's gonna use voice isolation. You can set it to automatic, that it will choose, but you can set it to standard as well. And standard is what it's at by default, which means normal. But if you set it to voice isolation, there's also options for wide spectrum, but of course that's not activated here. You'd probably need something like a headset or something like that, or whatever. So here the key is voice isolation. So mine is set already, so set it to voice isolation. And when you go back to the camera, once you're in video mode, you can record your videos, and what's going to happen is that when you record your videos now, it's going to filter out background noises. All right, so it's going to make your video that much quieter, so any such devices in the background, such as a humming sound or stuff like that, that's easily isolated, it can remove it, and it's going to make your voice or voices, that includes other people speaking, more clear in your videos. So you can go ahead and record as normal, and that's gonna boost your the video quality and give you clearer sound. All right, so make sure that's on. It's not set by default, so make sure you set it to voice isolation, and now your device is actively searching for voices and will isolate voices as you're recording. All right, so hope that was useful with using the voice isolation on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope that was useful. It might not appear for some people, and of course that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye.